Give me your 6 months and I promise I'll change your life and I'll make you become financially independent. If you are watching this video for a quick get-rich scheme, then it's better to skip the video, as this video is going to take your consistency, your time, and your efforts. Hello and welcome to Finance Diary. Give me your 6 months and I promise I'll change your life and I'll make you become financially independent. Now this is not a clickbait, but a practical strategy to make you become financially independent. Now in this digital globe, people are printing money with tons and hundreds of digital skills, but they won't tell you the exact strategies and pathways to monetize your time and your skills. But Finance Diary is here, as our aim is to make our audience become financially independent. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be sharing one of my secret recipe to monetize your time and your efforts and to become financially independent and make money online. Well, so before moving further, I'd like to give you a quick disclaimer. If you are watching this video for a quick get-rich scheme, then it's better to skip the video, as this video is going to take your consistency, your time, and your efforts. So now let's discuss the general process that if you want to become financially independent. So according to me, there are 3 basic principles or rules. The first step is to choose a specific skill and then learn it. And according to my secret recipe to make you financially independent, the skill that I have chosen for you guys is a mixture of video editing, graphic designing, and communication skills. So for intermediate level video editing, the best ever software that exists until today is Adobe Premiere Pro. And for basic to advanced graphic designing, the best software is the Adobe Photoshop. Now for this whole skill set, I have chosen 6 months, and I will be needing your 6 months to change your life. Trust me, if you implement this strategy that I am going to provide you, you are going to be financially independent for the whole of your life. Yeah, so to the first step, which was to select a skill and then learn that particular skill, you will have to dedicate 2 months, which means that you will have to give 2 months to learn the Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, and to learn the basics of communication skills. Now in the second step, which is to practice those skills, there is a rule of thumb, which is to record and edit. Now in the start, you will have to copy your ideal personality, which could be a YouTuber or a speaker. So you'll have to select a particular topic of your interest, and then you will have to speak on that particular topic for 5 minutes, let's say. And after recording that video, you will have to edit that video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this will improve your communication skills and your editing skills. Now until now, I assume that you have the basic understanding of Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, and you also know the basics of communication skills. So now you have to monetize those skills. So in the first step of monetization, you will have to make profiles on all the freelance platforms. I'll tell you 2 of my favorite, which is Fiverr and Upwork. So you are going to create your profile on Fiverr and Upwork, where you will provide services of video editing, of graphic designing, and of content creation, of course. So you can also provide the thumbnail designing services to the YouTubers. So inside the monetization area, I shared the first step, which was to make profiles on the freelance platforms and also provide these services locally. So inside the secret recipe to become financially independent, the second point in the monetization section is to create a YouTube channel and then monetize it. So before creating a YouTube channel, you will have to have the niche research for that channel. And the second point is that the channel should not be a faceless channel. The third point is that you will have to have a bit research on the topic that you have selected, and then you are going to speak on that topic. And believe me, you can monetize that skill, as people are generating a huge amount of money via YouTube. Well, so now let's summarize. I have a total of 6 months to change my life and become financially independent. I'll have to learn Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing, Adobe Photoshop for graphic designing, and I will also have to master the basics of communication skills. The second step is to practice those skills. which means that you will have to record and then edit the video. Now this will help you become a better video editor and also a better speaker. The third step is to monetize those skills, which means that you'll have to create your profile on all the freelance platforms. And you can also sell your services locally around you. And you can also create a YouTube channel and make videos to monetize those videos and make money online. Yeah, so I think I forgot something. For the first step, which was to select a skill and then learn it, I will leave some of the best courses that are found on Udemy, and you can also learn these skills and master those skills on YouTube. A bonus tip here is that if you feel discouraged during this process, you'll have to imagine how your future will be if you become financially independent. So this was it for today's video, guys. Now I hope this video was interesting and exciting. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and take care.